Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Alfiah KHASANAH with my student number 8320180278. I'm from the P class of Esp, and this is the recording of my answer of the several questions in final test of Esp. Let's get started. The first question is explain what is the importance of Esp in workplaces. My answer is the importance of Esp in workplaces is Esp will help people to develop skills of communication in the workplace based on the goals or needs of the learner. And then the second, what is the main purpose of Esp materials? Materials are used to stimulate and support language instruction, and their design and/or adaptation is an important element of Esp teaching practice. And then the third, elaborate why need analysis is important in Esp. In my opinion, need analysis is important in Esp because in Esp we make programs to fulfill the learner's need. Then we have to analyze our clients to solve the problems. That's why needs analysis is important in Esp. Without need analysis, we can solve our clients' problems and the design's program can be made. And then the fourth is explain the roles of teacher in Esp. In my opinion, Esp teachers have to take multidimensional and unpredictable responsibilities because of the ongoing changing patterns of learners' needs. They should formulate certain goals and objectives, select and develop effective materials, plan appropriate courses, and evaluate the learner's patterns of development. And then fifth, write four different characteristics between EOP and EAP. First is learners need to learn English in order to succeed in their academic careers. It is the EAP, English Academic for Purposes. And then second, EAP teaching is task-based using the types of academic. And then the third is tasks commonly found in higher education. Then learners need to learn English in order to improve their job performance. It is the EOP or English for objective purposes. And then the last is EOP was also seen as an opportunity for personal development among those who have a long-term goal to improve English communication skills of work and life. And then the last is number 6. Explain what do you know about necessities, lacks, and wants in Esp. First is necessities. Necessities are about what the learners have to know in order to function effectively in the target situation. In other words, necessities also mean the need of someone to be success in his or her business. So necessities is the willingness of the learner to study what they are really need. And then the second is lacks, based on English for specific purposes book. Lack is about what the learner knows already so that the teacher or the facilitator can decide which of the necessities the learners lack. So it means that uh, every single learner have their own own knowledge. So the teacher or facilitator need to know what they are to know in the learning, especially in English, and then it will be the objectives of their study. And then the third or the last is wants. According to Hutchinson and Waters, 1987, definition of wants is perceived of subjective needs of learner. Wants also means that the student need to know what they want to be learned. So it means that every single learner need to know what they are really need to study or what they are really want to know to improve their skill or maybe knowledge in English. Okay. Thank you for your attention and I'm sorry for my mistake.